Hello traders, welcome to Forexlia. Today I will tell you in detail about the bearish Harami cross. The bearish Harami cross is a type of candlestick pattern. The name of this candlestick is made up of three words: bearish, Harami and cross. The word bearish means downtrend or following market, and Harami is a Japanese word which means a pregnant woman, and cross means a symbol of Christianity. You can see it in the video. The bearish Harami cross was named by the Japanese people after a pregnant woman who has a cross. The bearish Harami cross is a candlestick pattern, or we can say that is a represent a downtrend in the market. This means that the bullish phase is ending and now the bearish phase is about to begin. The bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern is made up of two candles. You can see it in the video. In the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern, the first candle is a long bullish candlestick, which means a long green candle showing strong upward movement. This candle is green in color. The second candle is a long ledger doji candlestick, which means its open price and close price are almost the same. This candle has no color. The bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern always appear after a strong uptrend, or we can say it forms at the top of the chart. After the formation of this candlestick pattern, the possibility of further bullish movement ends. Once confirmation is received, selling can prove to be profitable. In the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern, the first candle should be a long bullish candlestick, or we can say it should be a long bullish candle. After this, the second candle should be a long ledger doji. Doji means a candle in which the open price and close price are the same. The open of the second candle should be near the middle part of the first candle, and this second candle should remain between the open price and close price of the first candle. This is very important. Second candle has no color. The bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern can appear on the chart in two different forms. You can see both types in the video. Both of them work in the same way. On the day when this candlestick pattern forms on the chart, the next day price often open with a strong bearish move, or we can say open with a gap down. When this happens, it becomes a complete confirmation for you to take a sale position. The bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern can be seen on intraday charts, daily charts, weekly charts, and even monthly charts. This candlestick pattern work very effectively on all these time frames. After the formation of this pattern, the grip of the seller in the market becomes stronger. So now let's understand the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern on the chart. You will see that after a strong bullish trend, a bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern is formed and its volume is in decreasing order. As I already told you, even if the volume decreasing, the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern can still give good results. Now for taking a sale trade, you have to see that the new candle after the bearish Harami cross pattern opens with a strong bearish move, or we can say open with a gap down. In that case, you should sell in the market. Or if the new candle after the bearish Harami cross pattern closes below the low of the first candle, then you should also sell in the market. As you can see on this chart, the new candle is closing below the low of the first candle of the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern. So you have to take a sale position here, and immediately after selling, you have to place your stop loss above the high of the first candle of the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern, because placing a stop loss is very important. After that, for profit booking, you need to observe that as long as there is no signal indicating a possible trend reversal in the market, you should not book your profits. When you see a signal that suggests the trend may change, you should book your profit immediately. So friends, today you have learned in detail about the bearish Harami cross candlestick pattern. I hope you liked this information and find it useful. Please like this video and subscribe for Exlia.